So enthusiast, new addition sa ating everyday carry, Sofern HS10. Unbox muna natin to. Let's go. Okay. So it has the spare gasket at lanyard. Next is meron siyang pocket clip. Next is ang kanyang headband. Sofern includes good charging cables. Makapal yung charging cable niya at mahaba, which is good. So ito yung headlamp mount niya at the unit itself, which is wrapped in bubble wrap. Tingnan nyo naman. Wow. Very small form factor. I like it. So I think nandito yung ano niya, battery. Okay. It says there, remove, copper plated or gold plated. At yung battery niya na 800 milliamp hours. 16340. 800 milliamps. Alright, so pag-usapan natin ng features na gustong-gusto ko sa Sofern HS10. Ito ay right-angled na flashlight, floodlight, merong Fresnel lens, at may high CRI na LED. Meron din siyang magnetic tail at napakaliit lang niya. Pwede mo siyang gawing headlamp, pwede mo rin siyang gawing work light at napaka-pocket friendly niya. Let's test the UI or yung user interface niya. Typical Sofern user interface. Pag-activate is click once. Para mapalitan mo yung kanyang intensity or yung lakas, hold mo lang. Press and hold. Yan. Low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. And if you want to go straight to turbo, double click mo lang. Yan. Yan yung turbo niya. Napakalakas. Meron siyang ibang feature aside from turbo. Click 3 times. It will take you straight to strobe. And when you double press from strobe, you also have that SOS. When you double press again, you'll have a beacon light. Yan. Kung ayaw mo yung step na ramping, pwede rin yung smooth na ramping. So from on, press mo lang 4 na beses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. After you press 4 times, pag nag-blink na siya, yan. Nagra-ramp na siya, smooth ramp na siya. Hindi na siya yung stepped ramp. Kung gusto mo naman ibalik, press mo ulit 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nag-blink, yan. Stepped ramping naman, yan. So from turbo, double press again, yan. Ito yung moonlight mode niya. So this is perfect when you just need minimal illumination. Let's test the beam shots outside. Let's go. Yan, Sofern HS10, low, medium, high. Low, medium, then high. Turbo. This is the turbo. It's a very floody light. Maganda yung distribution ng ilaw. No harsh hotspot. Pinalitan natin yung angle. Sofern HS10. Napakalawak ng sakop niya. Low, medium, high, and turbo. I really like the beam profile ng HS10 kasi high CRI siya. And if you look at that, yan, it's very floody. Diyan siguro mga 50 meters. Now you can see. It's a very good floodlight. Sa liit niya. Yan. Sofern HS10. So ito ay isang angled flashlight. So 90 degrees siya. Maraming advantage ang ganitong orientation. So first is pwede mo siyang gawing headlamp. So meron siyang attachment na pwede mo siyang ilagay. Meron siyang headband At yun, pwede mo na siyang gawing headlamp. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Second is meron siyang magnetic tail. Itong magnetic tail niya, pwede mo siyang ikabit sa anumang metallic na surface. So sa ganung paraan, magiging standalone siyang ganyan, hands-free. At pwede mo siyang gawing work light. At yung pinakagusto kong feature niya is ang kanyang high CRI na LED. Meron siyang LH351D na LED na may rating na 90 CRI. I'm a huge fan of high CRI lights. CRI means Color Rendering Index. And ang kagandahan ng high CRI or mataas na Color Rendering Index is maganda yung beam profile niya, maganda yung buga ng ilaw. It's hard to justify on camera, but in person, maganda ang high CRI. Napipreserve niya yung kulay ng surroundings or any objects na iniilawan mo. Ito ay isang floodlight at meron siyang Fresnel lens. Ang tawag dito ay Fresnel lens. Dinidistribute ng lens na to yung ilaw niya para wala siyang harsh na spotlight at floodlight lang talaga siya. Sa kanyang turbo ay pwede siyang umabot ng 1,100 lumens. Napakalakas na yan sa ganito kaliit na flashlight. Kayang umabot ng beam distance na 125 meters despite the fact na floodlight siya. Hindi siya pangbato, hindi siya thrower na flashlight, but still it can reach up to 125 meters, which is a very good feature na din considering the design at sa liit niya. Meron siyang moonlight na may 1 lumen, low na may 50 lumens, medium at 200 lumens, at high at 500 lumens. Ang battery niya ay 16340 rated at 800 milliamp hours. Ang runtime niya sa pinakamalakas na setting niya is umaabot ng 55 minutes at sa low setting naman is at 7.25 hours. So, napakatagal na rin yun. Ito rin ay may water resistance na IPX8. If you want to illuminate a room, meron siyang two-way clip na nag-act as stopper niya. So, you'll still have that pointing upward capabilities. So, yun. Thanks to its two-way pocket clip. So, yan yung na-discover ko na good feature ng kanyang two-way pocket clip. So that is the Sofern HS10. Kung gusto nyong makabili, alam nyo na kung saan. Just check the description at andun ang link. Thank you for sticking around. See you on the next review.